Is up, guys? Thank you so much on having over 100 subscribers. I am honored. Thank you for your patronage to this channel. Tell others, keep spreading this. Let's get to 1,000. We can do this. We can get to 100,000. I appreciate you listening to me. Hope you enjoy this video. This is for you guys. So I'm gonna show off the smallest sub collection I have in my knife collection and show a new knife that's never been shown on this channel. A knife that, I keep to the side, because I can't show every knife in every video. And it's the model, let's see if we can focus in on that, 15001. And it has the G10 gray handles and the jimping here, and then both up here if you wanted to choke up on it. Cut like that and shave. They do make a Canyon Hunt series version of this as well. It's going to be your S30V steel, as you can see, and nice stone wash finish up top with a clean grind behind the rest of the blade. 20-degree edge, I would say. Let's measure the thickness behind the edge on this one, bad boy. We got 0.12 inches thick behind the edge, so you can get some serious work done with this bad boy. So yeah, great knife, and had a special order this to go with it. Since this went with the Canyon Hunter series, I got it to match up with this knife because they are the same specs basically in dimension. So I got that because I thought the leather holster was way classier, and I'm really happy that I did. Great purchase, and Benchmade customer service made it really easy for me to do that and make that purchase. Next is the model 119. Yes, model 119 from Benchmade. This is a beast of a knife, as you can see. Let's get a blade measurement real quick on this bad boy. If we're gonna get cutting edge, you have 6 or 5.5 inches of cutting edge, and the total blade length, you're looking at 6.5 inches. I mean, this thing is a beast of a knife. And let's go ahead and get blade length on this knife as well, just to get real quick. So we just do blade length. We have a blade length of 4 inches. So that is what you're gonna get with this bad boy, 4 inches of cutting supremacy from Benchmade. And this, obviously, you're gonna pick up a little bit more, and you're gonna have a different steel, a good choil you can choke up on right there. But the steel you're working with this one is gonna be 154 cm. Yep, so a little bit softer of a steel. I prefer S30V, but 154 cm, still a great tool steel, still great for out there needing to be field sharpened. A knife that needs to be tough and corrosion resistant. And I love the hilt on the back of this as well. Super nice. And you can see the knife goes all the way through the back strap with that solid piece of steel. So this thing is built tough, and it comes with this nice little sheath that clips onto any belt nicely, and it clips in rather well. It holds up in with just the tension of the sheath, but it does also have a strap that you can put on there as well if you would like. So yeah, those are my 2 fixed blades, and that is the smallest sub portion of my collection, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Oh wait, you thought I was finished? Nah, I'm showing you guys 2 sub portions of my collection today. Showing off another knife you've never seen on this channel. I'm showing off the entirety of my Microtech collection. Let's start with the UTX-70. You guys have seen that before. Let's see the Hawk next. You guys have seen that on the channel before, but the Scabra Executive you guys have not seen. So let's go through these one by one. First, we have the UTX-70. It is a badass out the front knife, coming in S30V steel. It is half serrated on one side and then smooth on the other side, making it a versatile tool. Despite its small size, if we do a blade length measurement, it's only about a little over 2 inches long. This knife is super versatile and super great just like all you guys, just like all my subscribers, this knife is a beast, and you guys are awesome. Sorry, I'm just excited. Thank you for your patronage again and watching. But yeah, this is the UTX-70 from Microtech. Great knife, great OTF to have in the collection. Proud to have it. Shown it on the channel before. Next knife is even prouder knife I have from Microtech. This is the Microtech Hawk. It is a karambit style blade coming in M390 steel, which is probably my favorite steel, even more than 20 CV. The properties are slightly better, I believe, but that's a whole nother debate. But with this beautiful stonewash finish, and if you can see the serial number, it is number 311, making this a part of the original production run, original 1000 made. So this is a collectible as well as just a testament to the 25 years of Microtech's heritage. So I'll leave that one open, and you know what, I'll leave this one open as well. And we'll go with the last one, the one I've never shown on this channel before. The one that I've had, you can see, for the longest, since back in the beginning of 2014, I've had this knife. Microtech Scabra. And man, this thing opens with some authority. Beautiful blade. EL Max steel. Yep, let's see that. Yep, EL Max steel. Beautiful, made in the USA. Let's get a blade length measurement on this knife. Blade's going to be coming in at about a little over about 3.5 inches, I would say. A little less than 3.5 inches, maybe 3.4, depends how you want to set it. But man, this thing is all business. It comes in and out with some authority, takes a lot of thumb strength, has a glass breaker Kubaton on this side that you could smash something up with, do some serious damage with. This thing is nice, it's gnarly. Nice pocket clip, branded, and then a just black, beautiful body that has held up through the years. As you can see, this is, pretty old, and it's held up. So that is the Microtech collection on top of my Benchmade fixed blade collection. Let's get those guys back out here as well. They deserve one final shine. Yes, let's get them back out here. So yes, guys, my Microtechs and my fixed blades from Benchmade. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for your patronage. We'll get to 1,000. We'll get to 10,000. We'll get to 100,000. I believe in you guys. Thank you for fostering this community. It means so much. Keep going. Keep telling people you're awesome. Goodbye.